Bioimport maniacs. Bioimport maniacs.
Hello, my name's John Wrobel, and I'm a postdoc here in the Giddings lab. And I'll start by giving you a little background. I started here as a graduate student many years ago in Clyde Hutchison's lab, and in that lab, both as a graduate student, later as a postdoc, I was working on a saturation mutagenesis project on the HIV-1 reverse transcriptase, and we actually made over 600 single amino acid substitution mutants of the reverse transcriptase, and we assayed each mutant for both enzyme activity and its protein stability. And analyzing all these mutants, we're able to find residues, amino acid residues in the protein were critical for protein function, and also some that were critical for protein stability. And dealing with this vast amount of mutant data, I turned to databases to help me analyze it. So while in Clyde's lab, I became interested in using databases to analyze and store biological data. So I decided to get more formal education in database and computer programming, and I went to Wake Tech, a local community college, and earned both a associate degree in database management and another associate degree in computer programming, and that leads me where I am today, here in the Giddings lab. So here in the Giddings lab, I'm able to combine my knowledge of databases with my background in biology. And my current project here in the Giddings lab involves the ultrastructure database system, and we're actually using this database system to store biological data that's or other data that's generated from bioinformatics software in our lab. My current project actually involves writing Java code to make importers to import data from our bioinformatics software in the lab, such as our GFS system, the genome fingerprint scanning application.
Something like that.
Right. That we're generating data from, and that's actually used to help map proteomic data back to the genome. So I'm writing importers to take text files generated from that application into ultrastructure to store the data. And I'm also going to be working on writing exporters to get that data out that we can, for instance, share with other in the format that we can share with, for example, be put on the UCSC genome browser, so other scientists in the community can look at. So those are going to be valuable to the lab, but as a more longer-term goal, I would actually like to make a universal translator, importer and exporter, which we would not have to write specific code to import a specific file or export a specific file type. We can actually store the formatting data in the ultrastructure database, and that would actually be able to help us in the Java code to actually take that information out of the database and actually process the files, importers and exporters, so you're not changing code, you're just changing data in the database. So that's a longer term goal, and I'm certainly enjoying combining my computer background and biology and all that fun stuff here, and learn something new every day, and enjoy being here in the Giddings lab. And once again, my name is John Wrobel, and thank you for your time.
Bioimport maniacs. Bioimport maniacs.